Hey there, if you play the guitar and you're getting sore fingertips, here's a tip number 2 for you. Now when we are playing chord changes and we are practicing changing from one chord to the other, if you are pressing down on the chord all the time, your fingers are going to get sore faster. So what you could do, let's say for 80% of the time, you could just touch the string and instead of pressing down, you're just touching lightly, but you're still forming whichever chord that you are practicing. So from C to G, like this, I can go on and I won't feel any soreness on in my left hand. If I'm going to press down, right, after several minutes, my hands are probably going to tire. So you can use this technique to allow you to practice your chord changes, to develop your muscle memory. At the same time, you are not wearing out your left hand and making your fingertips sore. If you found this useful, share this tip with someone else. Enjoy playing the guitar and have a great day.